the 2016 Chevrolet Camaro. Chevrolet made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Top features include front bucket seats, one-touch window functionality, power front seats, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.